Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you two methods which will allow you to uninstall Eset Antivirus. The first method is the classical one, but the second one will allow you to force the uninstallation in case you failed with the first method. To do that, click on the Windows logo button on your keyboard or just click on the search tab and type Control Panel. The next step will open this Control Panel window. If you have a different view or different look, just click on View By and select Category so that you are able to follow. The next step will click on Install a program. You might need to wait 1 minute, 30 seconds until all the softwares in your computer loads to see what softwares are installed, and then we will start trying to locate Eset software. So here I have Eset software. So this method, you just double click twice. It will say preparing to uninstall, and then you will be prompted to uninstall. You can just click next and go ahead, and it should be installed. If this method didn't work for you before or didn't work for you now, then there is a second method which will force the uninstallation. What we will do, we'll just click to open our browser, and we will type Eset KB 2788. Press enter, and here this option will appear under the website https://support.eset.com. So we'll click on it, and we will need to download a very light tool. Here we will select uninstall as a second option, solutions, and under troubleshooting section, line number 1, there is uninstalling using the Eset uninstalling tool. So we'll select that. We'll scroll down to find the download option. So here we have the download under this yellow panel, and we'll click download the Eset uninstaller. Please bear in mind that for some computer this tool might work under normal option, or you might be asked to restart your computer and access safe mode. If you don't know how to access safe mode, you need just to check one of our previous videos in our channel and you will be able to access to it. So normally you double click on it and it should open for you another uninstaller. If it opens for you like this, access safe mode and double click again on the tool. If not, then you will be prompted to the installation section. So normally once you double click on the tool, you have two options. If this black one appeared, you restart your computer, you open the safe mode, refer to our previous videos on how to access safe mode, and you double click again on the uninstall tool, and you should be prompted to uninstall. For some people it will work directly, so you will be prompted with this option, and then click next, click remove and select remove, and then the software will be removed from your computer. You might need to wait a few seconds, up to 1 minute, and you might be even asked to restart your computer so that the uninstall process should be finished. Now you will be asked by Windows if you want really to allow changes. Just click yes, and then the installation should be finalized. Now that the installation has been finished, you just click on finish, and as I said, you will be asked to restart your computer. You can always click yes or no based on if you have some work to finish or not. For me, I will just click no, and once you restart your computer, the software should disappear. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and clear enough. If you still need help or assistance, please press on the comment bar and write us a comment or send us an email. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.